Haven't you noticed that there are more and more people that quit their jobs, move to the most beautiful places in the world, and become economically independent just by creating an income online? Now, if you are struggling with a job, or you dream of living in a cabin in the woods, or you just want a peace of mind that comes with economic security, then this offer is for you. I am Margarita Doderer, and I have done this in 2019, so I know a little bit about what it means to take the courage, learning the new skills, and to create an online business. When you click the link below this video, you get the free video series that will show you the 101 ways to make a living online. It does not matter if you write a blog about your garden, share your passion about tiny houses, sell handicrafts on Pinterest, move your coaching business online. Hi, Katie. Create beautiful wallpapers, produce e-learning courses about how to meditate in the middle of a kitchen full with kids, or simply how to sell products and services of others. There are so many ways to create an online business, and instead of losing time trying this and that by your own, you can do it together with an amazing community and with the guidance and step-by-step explanation of the mentors and teachers of the educational platform that had made all the difference to me. Other things to do you do not like? Yes, there's hard, necessary and good work to do. But things like building a website that once had a cost of thousands of dollars, today you do it by your own and in hours by an easy drag and drop system. And do you have to learn how to position your offers in a way that thousands or even millions of clients can find you? Yes. And it is possible to learn it even with no previous experiences. Then I can promise, if I can do it in over 50 something with absolutely no technical knowledge, then everybody can do it. If you click the link below, you receive the free video series that show you exactly how you can do it. What are you waiting for? Isn't it time for you to live the life you have always dreamed of? Like we too. I hope to see you on the other side. Bye.